what happened? Leles. Leles. What happened? Athena pulled your hair. And then, did you fight back?
Like that?
Did you fight back? You need to fight back. You pull her hair too. And then you tell your teacher. Okay? Don't let anyone bully you. Okay? You'll be strong. Just don't start it, okay? Don't start fighting with her. If she starts...
Push down. Push down. Mommy, daddy.
Who's drunk? Who's drunk?
Don't tell your teacher I'm drunk.
Don't make her...
2, 5, 6, 5, 1, 4, 9, 3, 7, 2, 5, 6, 10.
Are you going to take your school? What are you doing, Nali? Huh? Look at their classroom. Where's your room? Is your classmate still there in your room?
No.
Why they went home na?
Yes. My stager.
Yeah.
I'm going to go my stage.
What are you going to do in the stage?
No. My classmates.
What did you do today, Nali?
Teacher. I spelled teacher copy.
Huh?
I spelled teacher copy. But, Mommy, I have